Hello student, good morning. Today we will do few more questions on the chapter inverse trigonometric functions. Your question is prove the following. We'll do some questions on just to prove it. Okay. The first question is 3 sine inverse of x equal to sine inverse of within bracket 3x minus 4x cube. So here you see you have to prove this result that 3 sine inverse of x equal to sine inverse of 3x minus 4x cube. Generally, as I told you earlier, that trigonometric inverse trigonometric functions, sometimes we can do it directly if it is possible to use some formulas. Otherwise, we will try to convert it into trigonometry and then we will try to do the solutions. তোমালোকক মই আগতে কোৱাৰ দৰে কি আছিল তোমালোকে ইনভাৰ্স ট্ৰিগোনোমেট্ৰিক ফাংশনত যদি তোমালোকে সিধা সিধি কিবা ফৰ্মুলা ইউজ কৰিব পাৰা তেনেহলে ফৰ্মুলা ইউজ কৰিবা আৰু যদি নোৱাৰা তেনেহলে আমি কি কৰিব লাগিব ফাৰ্ষ্টতে ট্ৰিগোনোমেট্ৰিলে কনভাৰ্ট কৰি লব লাগিব আৰু তাৰ পিছত আমি প্ৰবলেমছবোৰ সলভ কৰিব লাগিব সাধাৰণতে আমি কি কৰো ইজি সাইডটো মানে ধৰি লও আৰু ইটো সাইডত আমি সাবস্টিটিউট কৰো mostly you see first you have to consider the easiest side and then you substitute it on the other side. So now go to that question. You see in this question we have sine inverse of x equal to a on the left side. Constant, you can forget about the constant. Later on it will be used. So if you substitute sine inverse of x equal to a, then you can substitute that value on the right hand side. Okay, that's why I am considering sine inverse of x equal to a. And that give you x equal to sine a by definition of inverse trigonometric function. Now let us substitute these things on the right hand side. That give you sine inverse of, in the place of x we can put what? Sine x. And so 3 sine x, sine a minus 4, it is x cube. So x cube value will be equal to 4 sine cube a. তোমালোকে এটা কি কৰিবা ধৰি ললা sine inverse of x equal to a কাৰণ হেতু সহজ আছিল তাৰপৰা ইনভাৰ্স ট্ৰিগোনোমেট্ৰি ডেফিনিশনৰ পৰা কি পালা x equal to sin a পালা হৈছে এটা এটো তোমালকে ৰাইট হ্যান্ড সাইডত বহুৱাই দিয়া ৰাইট হ্যান্ড সাইডত বহুৱালে আমি কি পাম sin inverse of x equal to 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. Now you see what is the value of 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. That is the result known to you. This is nothing but the result of sin thrice a. As I told you earlier, try to remember all the formulas of trigonometry and inverse trigonometric functions. Okay, then only easily you can do the problems. Actually, trigonometry is a simple chapter, but if you remember the formulas. Okay, so here you see you have got sine inverse of sin thrice a. What is its value? This is a formula of inverse trigonometric function. So that give you 3a. এটো সোয়া তোমালক এটা ডাইরেক্টলি ট্রিগোনোমেট্রি ফর্মুলা অ্যাপ্লাই করব পারিছান নাই গতিকে আমি তাৰ পৰা পালো এটো sin 3a. The 3a means what? Again back, what is your a? A is what? Sine inverse of x. That will give you a left hand side. Okay. The same problem you can do in one other way also. When we substitute, you know the formula of sine thrice a. What is the formula? Sine thrice a is equal to, you know this formula. Substitution is same. Okay. Sine inverse of x equal to a. If you put x equal to sine a paba. So sine thrice a formula first you write down. As I told you in the last video, that is what? If I take it as a, it becomes 3a. So sine if you bring to this side, it becomes sine of 3a. তোমালোকক মই আগৰ ভিডিওত কৈছিলো এটো যেহেতু a ধৰি লৈছিলা এটো কি হৈ গল 3a হৈ গল এটা sin টো যদি তুমি এফালে আনা তেতিয়া এটো কি হৈ যাব sin 3a হ'ব হয়নে হে কাৰণ আমি sin 3a এর ফর্মুলা ইউজ কৰিও কৰিব পাৰো so what is the formula of sin 3a? It's sin 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. Now put the value of sin a. What is sin a? Sin a means x. So you can substitute 3x minus 4x cube. So that will give you 3a is equal to sine inverse of this one. And then again back what is a? A is sine inverse of x. So this proved the result. I had given you two methods in the same question. Of the same question, you can do any one of the method. যিকোনো এটা তোমালকে ট্রাই কৰবা যেটো তোমালকৰ ভাল লাগে হ'ব আৰু এটা কোৱেশ্চন মই তোমালকক পঢ়ি দিছো the same way you can do the question. So the next question, these questions are from your NCERT textbook. Okay, 3 cos a is equal to cos inverse of 4x cube minus thrice a. The same question. Okay, so here you have to put cos a is equal to cos inverse of x equal to a, and that give you x equal to cos a. Okay, then if you want you can put on the right side or if you want, here it become 3a. It means cos of 3a formula you can use. Okay, in the same way, similar with the previous question, you can try this question yourself. Now I'll go to the different other question. The next question, here you see tan inverse of root x equal to half cos inverse of 1 minus x by 1 plus x. Again, you see as earlier, this is the simplest side, and this is compared to that, it is complicated, right? So simplest side you substitute. That is tan inverse of root x equal to, I'll put a. If I put tan inverse of root x equal to a, that give you root x equal to tan a. But as here we need x, so root x if you square, it become x, and that give you tan square a. Hope you understand? Okay. After this, you put on the right hand side. So if you put on the right hand side, your side is what? Half cos inverse of, in the place of x we will put tan square a. So that become 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a. And this is a known formula. It is, you have got it in class 11. What is the formula? Yes, this is the formula of cos twice a. So it become half of cos or inverse of cos twice a. Use the formula of inverse trigonometry that give you half of twice a. That is equal to a. And a you back here. A means what? Tan inverse of x. This complete the proof of this question. Hope you understand it. Now let us go to the next question. Your next question is 9 pi by 8 minus 9 by 4 sin inverse of 1 by 3 is equal to 9 by 4 sin inverse of 2 root 2 by 3. তোমালকে মন কৰা ট্ৰিগোনোমেট্ৰিত কিন্তু সব কোৱেশ্চন আমি একে ধৰণে কৰিব নোৱাৰো দেই কেতিয়াবা আমি ফৰ্মুলা এপ্লাই কৰো কেতিয়াবা সাবস্টিটিউট কৰো আৰু কেতিয়াবা আকৌ দুইটাই কৰিব লগা হয় কিছুমান কোৱেশ্চনত এটা এই প্ৰবলেমটো চোৱা তোমালকে যদি লেফট সাইডৰ পৰা কৰা লেফট সাইডৰ দুটা আছে তেতিয়া তোমালকৰ কোৱেশ্চনটো সহজ হ'ব আৰু লেফট আৰু ৰাইট ভালদৰে মন কৰা তোমালকক 9/4 কমন আছে ইয়াতে আৰু এটো আমাক লাগে ৰাইট হ্যান্ড সাইডত হয়নে সেই কাৰণে আমি প্ৰথমতে কি কৰিম লেফট হ্যান্ড সাইডৰ পৰা 9/4 টো কমন লম সো লেট আস টেক 9/4 কমন that give you 9/4 what is left here pi by 2 that is sin inverse of 1/3 this is left now you know a formula using pi by 2 and sin inverse of x this is the formula sin inverse of x plus cos inverse of x equal to pi by 2 this is known to you so it give you pi by 2 minus sin inverse of x equal to what cos inverse of x that means this can be written as cos inverse of what is your x 1/3 so you can write down it as cos inverse of 1/3 now you see your answer. We don't require the answer in terms of cos inverse. We need the answer in terms of sin inverse. So convert this cos inverse in terms of sin. You know the formula of trigonometry. So you can convert in terms of using trigonometry. So let us convert it. Cos inverse of 1/3 is equal to a. That give you cos a is equal to 1/3. So what is sin a? Sin a formula we can use. Sin a means what? Under root of 1 minus cos square a. So put the value of cos square a. Cos square is 1/3 whole square. Calculating we get it 2 root 2 by 3. So we have got from here a is equal to sin inverse of 2 root 2 by 3. And a means what? Cos inverse of 1/3. So in the place of cos inverse of 1/3 we can write down 2 root 2 by 3. Okay. So put here on your left hand side this one is 9/4 cos inverse of 1/3. In the place of cos inverse of 1/3 etu bahai dia আৰু তোমালকৰ ৰাইট হ্যান্ড সাইডটো পাই গলা তো তোমালকে এটা মন কৰা এটো কোৱেশ্চন আমি কি কৰিছিলো কমন ললো লৈ পেলা আমি প্ৰথমতে ক্যালকুলেশন খিনি কৰিলো কৰাৰ পিছত যেতিয়া আমি দেখিলো এটো ডাইৰেক্টলি নোৱাৰো সেই কাৰণ এখিনি আমি ডাইৰেক্টলি কৰিব নোৱাৰিম সেই কাৰণ আমি কি কৰিলো এটুক আমি সাবস্টিটিউশন কৰি দিলো সাবস্টিটিউশন কৰি cos টুক আমি সাইনলে কনভার্ট কৰিলো আৰু cosক সাইনলে কনভার্ট কৰিব লগা হল আমি ট্ৰিগোনোমেট্ৰি সহায়ত সেই কাৰণে কৰি লৈ আমি লাকো ব্যাক কৰি ইয়াতে বহাই দিলো তাৰ মানে এই কোৱেশ্চন তোমালকে কেনেকৈ সলভ কৰিলা ডাইৰেক্টলিও কৰিছা সাবস্টিটিউশন ইউজ কৰিছা গতিকে অকমান কিন্তু প্ৰ্যাকটিস কৰিব লাগিব কোৱেশ্চনছ বুৰৰ কাৰণে ঠিক আছে এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ কোৱেশ্চনছ বুৰ আমি প্ৰমাণ কৰিব লাগিব এতিয়া মই সোৱা তোমালকক আৰু দুটা কোৱেশ্চন কৈছো দিস আৰ ভেৰি ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট কোৱেশ্চন মোস্টলি সেট ইন এক্সাম সো ইউ সি দ্য কোৱেশ্চন ইজ cot inverse of same question you have to prove it so cot inverse of under root 1 plus sin x plus under root 1 minus sin x divided by under root 1 plus sin x minus under root 1 minus sin x that is equal to x by 2 that you have to prove. So if I take your left hand side this is a very lengthy expression হয়নে নহয় এটো বহুত দীঘল হয় সেই কাৰণে মই ইয়াতে কি কৰিছো সেপাৰেটলি এই কোৱেশ্চনছ খিনি ক্যালকুলেশন কৰি লৈছো because I want to remove the square root because square root থাকিলে আমাৰ কি হয় সাধাৰণতে প্ৰবলেম হয় কৰিবলে না থাকিলে আমাৰ ক্যালকুলেশন বোৰ সহজ হয় সেই কাৰণে মই প্ৰথমতে কি কৰিছো square root টো ৰিমুভ কৰিব ট্ৰাই কৰিম এটা স্কয়াৰ ৰুট ৰিমুভ কৰিব লাগিলে আমি কি কৰিব লাগে স্কয়াৰ কৰিব লাগিব সেই কাৰণে মই এই এক্সপ্ৰেছন কিটা এই কিটা আমি হোল স্কয়াৰ অৰ্থাৎ পাৰফেক্ট স্কয়াৰ বনাব ট্ৰাই কৰিম ঠিক আছে এটা তোমালোকে জানা যে সি হিয়াৰ তোমালোকে জানা যে 1 মানে কি sin স্কয়াৰ থিটা প্লাস cos স্কয়াৰ থিটা লিখিব পাৰা হয়নে গতিকে আমি যেতিয়া ইয়াতে x আছে sin x আছে আকৌ সাব মাল্টিপল এংগলত sin a ভ্যালুটো কি হয় 2 sin a/2 cos a/2 সেইখিনি আমি জানো আগতে বা এটো কোৱেশ্চন তোমালোকে একচুয়ালি 11 ত কৰি চাও 10 11 ত তেনেকুৱা কোৱেশ্চন কৰি চাও তো সেই কাৰণে আমি কি কৰিম এই 1 ৰ ঠাইত লিখিলো sin স্কয়াৰ x/2 cos স্কয়াৰ x/2 sub multiple angle I have used because it can be break in terms of sub multiple angle 2 sin x/2 cos x/2 now think it as a and this as b it is a square plus b square plus twice ab form so what is the value a plus b whole square is not it so a plus b whole square under root so that give you a plus b I have used here this one as a first term this and second term just to get the answer and I need cot inverse you can do the same problem by this way also then at the time of answer you have to again change that's why I'm sending here as I know it earlier okay so similarly if root over 1 plus sin x is cos x/2 plus sin x/2 then obviously what is the value of root over sin 1 minus sin x this will be negative cos x/2 minus sin x/2 so let us substitute these values in your left hand side that means here substitution give you cos x/2 plus sin x/2 plus this is there cos x/2 minus sin x/2 denominator substitute then here you see some expressions are cancel out sin x/2 here cos x/2 cancel out so on the numerator we have 2 cos x/2 and denominator 2 sin x/2 2 will be cancel out again what is left cos x/2 by sin x/2 that give you cos by sin that is equal to cot okay cot inverse of cot x/2 is equal to x/2 তোমালোকক যে মই অকমান আগতে কৈছিলো যে মই ইয়াতে cot পাব লাগে সেই কাৰণে মই cos টো ক্যান্সেল নজুৱাকে ৰাখিছিলো তাৰ কাৰণে মই যেটা এটো এক্সপ্ৰেছন লিখিছো cos টো আগত কৰি লৈছিলো অন্য একো কাৰণ নাই হা তোমালোকে এনেকে কৰিব পাৰা তেতিয়া তুমি লেখা আনসাৰটো অকন সাইনত cosecot আহিব আকৌ cosecor পৰা তুমি cotলৈ কনভাৰ্ট কৰিবা কেনেকে কনভাৰ্ট কৰিবা বাৰু হেতু তোমালোকৰ এটা যে ফৰ্মুলা আছিল cot inverse of x plus cos x inverse of x equal to pi by 2 তাৰ পৰা কৰিবা হ'ব এটা তোমালোকৰ hope you understand it listen to the explanation carefully then easily you will understood okay after that you try to write down the solution because that question is very important for exam purpose this is also said many times in exam so your question is prove that tan inverse of under root 1 plus x minus under root 1 minus x divided by under root 1 plus x plus under root 1 minus x equal to pi by 4 minus half cos inverse of x the same question similar type of question that this can be done also by putting x equal to directly we cannot do x you have to change in terms of trigonometry previous one there is trigonometry so you have used the formula of trigonometry directly but here you have x so you cannot apply any formula of trigonometry so convert into trigonometry that means you have to use the substitution see the answer what is required here pi by 4 half cos inverse of x is required that means cos inverse of x this is required so I can introduce cos right if you want you can use sin also but if you do cos then the answer will come short question solution will be just little bit short compared to this sign so I have substituted x equal to cos twice a also you may used if I use a submultiple angle will come if I use twice a then submultiple angle will not come that's why I'm using here twice a so what is the value of twice a twice a will be cos inverse of x okay later on these things will be used now go to your LHS left hand side tan inverse of put the value of cos twice a in the place of x that give you under root 1 plus cos twice a 1 minus cos twice a under root 1 plus cos twice a plus under root 1 minus cos twice a again these are two formulas hope you remember 1 plus cos twice a is equal to what it's a derivation from cos twice a this is equal to 2 cos square a try to remember the formula it will be used later on also in case of calculus also these formulas will be used so try to remember the formulas of trigonometry very carefully 1 plus cos twice a formula is 2 cos square a and 1 minus cos twice a formula is 2 sin square a so substitute here under root is there So root over 2 is come common here, root over 2. And here square will become cos square under root, it become cos A. Similarly, root 2 sin A. Root 2 cos A and again plus root 2 sin A. So root 2 you can take common and it can be cancelled out. Right? So what is left here? Tan inverse of cos A minus sin A by cos A plus sin A. Again, a very important step arises here. Again, this is also separately sometime as a question it is said. One step you have to remember here, that is when this type of expression arises, you try to convert into tan, because tan inverse and tan can be used there. Formula can be used. So if I want to convert into tan, then I need what? Tan means what? Sin by cos. So you have to divide it by cos. So numerator and denominator I divide it by cos. This step you remember, that's why I am giving here star mark. So tan inverse of, if I divide numerator and denominator by cos, then the equality remains as it is. Term wise dividing, cos by cos, sin by cos, cos by cos plus sin by sin, cos. This become 1 tan A, 1 plus tan A. Again, this is a very important step come. Okay, practice the question because it is many times it's set in your board exam. So this is tan inverse. You know 1 means 1. The tan value of 1 is equal to pi by 4. So I have used here tan pi by 4. Tan pi by 4 minus tan A. That means the formula of tan A minus tan B can be used. Tan A minus tan B divided by I required 1 plus tan A tan B. So 1 is there. Sorry, you have to make it positive. Okay. This is 1 plus tan A. I used here 1. Tan pi by 4 plus into tan A. It is the formula. Again, I repeatedly tell you, this negative sign you make it positive. Tan pi by 4 minus tan A by 1 plus tan pi by 4 tan A. That is equal to what? The formula of tan of A minus B. Tan inverse of tan A did give you A. And what is A? You back here. As I told you earlier, twice A is equal to cos inverse of x from here. So A is equal to half cos inverse of x. Put it here. This is what? Pi by 4 minus half cos inverse of x. So, hope you understand this type of solutions. Okay. And here, one more thing. I attached the images of this video in the description box. You can, if you want, you can go there. Tumalokor yata jibur moi photo use korisu description box tate tumalokor hard copy to di disu. Nagile tumaloke hekhini likhi lobo pariba. Thank you.